FMS Workplace is a sophisticated, easy-to-use integrated workplace management solution that gives you a flexible framework for space management, scenario planning, facility maintenance, asset management, critical lease information, and more. Identify and track what matters to you. Flexible data views, dashboards, and reporting. Bidirectional AutoCAD and Revit connectivity. Powerful extensions for unique functionality. Third-party integrations. Used across all industries including the public sector, healthcare, higher education, and corporate. FMS Workplace gives you access to the unique data you need to make informed decisions about your workplace and facilities. Organizations worldwide trust FM Systems workplace management technology to deliver an ideal workplace for every employee.